Hey there, welcome back to the vlog. So today I want to talk about magnet fishing in Canadian lakes. The magnet that we're going to use is a 500-pound neodymium magnet that uses a rope on a carabiner on one side, and you throw it in the lake, drag it back with the rope and see what we can pull up. One of the reasons we're doing this up here as opposed to down in Toronto is because in Toronto you're very likely to pull out something bad that you didn't intend to pull out, such as a syringe. So off the top of my head, I think that really leaves us with the possibilities of fishing hooks, beer bottle tops, micrometeorites, and any other sort of rust that has built up. Lures, magnetite, and coins, because Canadian coins are quite often magnetic, especially the more modern ones. So anyway, we're going to go and throw this off the dock, see what we can find, and yeah, who knows. Nails. This time. So we just had to go for about half an hour off of the dock, and whilst it didn't find any of the micrometeorites that we were looking for, what we did come up with were other items that definitely, if you're swimming or going barefoot out there, you wouldn't want these items to be in the sand. So there was like bottle tops, a couple of rusty nails, a bit of fishing tackle. So there definitely was stuff there, but it wasn't the items that I was expecting. In all, it was a really good experiment. Definitely learned a lot. Some of the magnetic rocks, I'm gonna have to look them up to find out what they are. So yeah, that was that. I hope you enjoyed this. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe, and speak to you soon.